So hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and this is my first cooking, but I'm not cooking, but I'm cooking. I'm making soda, and I'm not doing the advertisement for the company because I've had the soda stream since Christmas. But I guess we'll make, if there's a little advertisement, then we can make it. But I'll put the www in the comment section. But this is soda stream, and this is already ready. I made one, because I like to try things before I bring them before you. Well, things like this anyway. This is the soda stream. So I can get this. And what I'm supposed to do is, I'm supposed to press this. And this is supposed to, take this out. It's hard for me to take things out. You know that, so just bear with me. And when it bubbles like that, I don't know if you can see the bubbles. Yeah, I guess you can see the bubbles. It bubbles like that, the soda's ready. So, this is raspberry cranberry. Oh, excuse me. My nose always itches when I get on here. This is raspberry cranberry, and this is the soda stream. Because they asked me to make some soda, so I said I was. This is raspberry, cranberry raspberry. And this is soda stream, and this is this is sweet, so you got to be careful. So I'm going to put some in the. A little bit more. I'm afraid it doesn't. No. And it's bubbling, which means it's ready. Then you get a lot of these, because next week I'm going to do my blender, and because Beauty and I forget what it is. Anyway, she asked me to do my blender because she wanted to see how it worked. So I'm going to make a smoothie next week. Shake it up gently like that. Leave it alone for a minute. This doesn't have a plug either, which is wonderful. Something you don't have to plug in. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Enjoying my day. It's still raining. Sun came out for about 20 minutes and said hello, and then went right back in again. So. This is the soda bottle that they give you. I don't like raspberry cranberry, so that ought to be good. That's good. To me, that makes good soda. And this is this is the second time I've used it. I did it earlier today just to see how to work it. But that's good. I like that. I think I'm going to get addicted to this one. Maybe I'll make my own Pepsi. You think? So you put the soda bottle in, and you screw this in right. Let me see. You screw this in right here. You screw the bottle in, it screws right on, and then the carbonate is in the back. I'll take the back off and show it to you. Even though I said it isn't a demonstration for anything, it's just I wanted to come on and start cooking and making things with you as well. And this is the carbonate. It's a C2O carbonated. It makes up to 60 pounds or 60 L's, whatever that means. And then we make our soda. So I'm going to have fun with that. So anyway, I got to come back because I got to do reviews. I'm going to probably change the review day. I just don't know what though. But I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Happy soda.